I don't know if you can see the little guy sitting on the table in the corner, but it's actually a mama bluebird and the daddy bluebird. Oh, it's sitting on top of, there he goes, sitting on top of the green pot now. The daddy bluebird just flew up to the top of the house and said hello. It sounds funny, but this place and I have a special relationship with bluebirds, and they seem to, I never had them living in the area I lived in until I lived here. And for a long time, when I was alone and stuck in a chair, bluebirds would come and sit on a walnut branch right in front of me on the porch. It was like being visited by my grandparents, and Native American people will understand that, but the rest of you will probably think I'm loony, but I've always loved bluebirds and feel blessed to have them around, especially in such times. There goes the house wren, right behind me. I'm hoping all of you guys have a better day. I know it's going to be stormy. Y'all are all in my prayers. Everybody, subscriber or not, I'm wishing y'all a better Easter than you expected. And if it's not, oh well, it's the way it is. So be it. All you can change is your mind. Look at it like a lesson. And I don't mean to be flippant. I've just had a lot of practice dealing with not getting what I wanted. So I learned to live with what I have and be grateful for it. Not telling you what to do either. It's got to be difficult for a lot of folks who never dealt with this. And y'all are my thoughts. Hope you have a good day. I got a lot of indoor stuff to do, and obviously I'm hoarse. So I'll leave you with the birds. God bless. Bye.